Hey friends, welcome to Brittany Bruce Education. Today I'm going to share 5 places you can sell your online products. Are you ready? All right, before we dive in, what I want you to do is download our free resources right here. Get acquainted with our free workbook, our free checklist, and our Brittany Bruce Business Coaching free Facebook group. I'd love to have you and get to know you there. All right, let's dive in. It's going to be a simple, quick, and easy video. If you have an online product, if you sell e-commerce of anything or online education or any kind of products online, even physical products that you want to sell online, these are 5 places that you can do it. Here we go. First things first is Shopify. Shopify is the e-commerce online platform that I used when I first launched Comfy Chic Boutique online. So I obviously had all the clothes delivered to my house, but I would upload images of them to the Shopify store. And the cool thing about Shopify is it did everything for me. It collected the payments, it collected emails, it even gave me a website that looked like a professional boutique website. And so I was able to launch my boutique after I had major surgery within a couple of days of just plugging in numbers into Shopify, uploading images of the products into Shopify. It was literally so easy for me to launch this online boutique through Shopify. So if you have products that you want to sell online, I 10 out of 10 recommend Shopify. The second place that I wanted to talk about is KAJABI. KAJABI is where I store all of my online courses and my online membership platform. This is literally the best place to build a course and sell it. Just like Shopify, KAJABI does the website, it collects the emails, it hosts the actual courses where all you have to do is do videos like this and upload them, and they deliver them to those who purchase. They take care of the logins, they take care of customer analytics. It's literally an all-in-one platform. If you're into online education or business coaching, or if you want an online membership of any kind that you get paid monthly for, definitely want you to check out KAJABI. It's amazing. I'm sure I'll have more videos in the future kind of going in depth on how KAJABI works. If you are a service-based business and you need to share your services and have people look at your offerings and what you have to offer. So if you're like a photographer or a painter, all you need is a website. You don't need an e-commerce platform. You don't need Shopify. You don't need KAJABI. All you need is a website. And so the website platform that I use is Showit. It's the most beautiful website platform. It is kind of a learning curve. And so if you're not tech savvy, I don't recommend Showit being your first website platform that you get. But if you are tech savvy or you are a quick learner, definitely check out Showit. If you are just like Brittany, I need an easy website platform, I'm not tech savvy, then definitely check out Wix or Squarespace. Those are a little bit more user-friendly, and all you need to do is get your domain, attach it to your Wix or your Squarespace or Showit website, and then add your services on a page with the price, and then have people reach out to you. You can share your website on social media and blogs and YouTube videos or whatever, and have people reach out to you. And that's very simple way to get your products in front of people is a website. Okay, so we have Shopify, KAJABI, and just a website platform. Fourth place that you can host your products online is Etsy. I'll go ahead and tell you, I don't have a lot of familiarity with Etsy. I never really used Etsy. I always just used Shopify, KAJABI, my website. But I have a lot of friends who swear by Etsy. So if you're a creative or you have products or things that you can sell, check it out. It's been around and it's not going anywhere. All right, and the 5th and final place that you can host your online products is Honeybook. So I'm talking to my photographers, my service-based businesses, my online coaches, my business coaches, My husband is starting a vacation rental company, Orange Beach Life, and they are hosting everyone in HoneyBook. HoneyBook is literally an all-in-one platform, yet again. It takes care of your customers. I call her like my secretary. HoneyBook is my secretary, and she keeps tracks of payment. She has contracts. She does proposals. She does questionnaires, invoices, literally everything. And so I use HoneyBook specifically for my online coaching business. And so I have questionnaires that I send out. It does the invoices, the emails, and it keeps them all in one place. So I do have a discount code for you too. It's all linked below. And I 10 out of 10 recommend HoneyBook. It's amazing. You can get 50% off of your first year if you just click that link below. So those are the 5 places that I recommend if you have products that you want to sell online. Shopify, KAJABI, your website, Etsy, and HoneyBook. Those are all amazing places. And you know what? I just realized you can sell directly from Instagram now and Facebook. It's crazy. So that's a bonus one. If you have products and if you love Instagram, put yourself on Instagram and sell. All right. I hope this was an easy video for you to kind of like wrap your head around. Know that I am in full recommendation of all of these. And so you can rest easy knowing that these are really great platforms to host your online business. All right, guys, make sure before you leave, you subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out, and download your free resources today. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.